Hi, Ruma.
Hey Fiona, how are you?
Yep, good, thank you.
That's good.
So why would a customer, why can't they talk to their own bank instead of talking to us?
A very good question actually. This morning I had this client and let me just go through this pain story with you to explain why a customer should come to us rather than to a loan specialist rather than just talking to someone as an admin person sitting in the customer service team in a bank. So this customer, she's been with one of the major banks for the past probably 20 years. And she called them a few months back in April. She told me, saying that, can you lower my rate because the rates are going down and all that. And they gave her 4.2% in today's market, and they locked her in for next 2 years. And then she heard from one of her friends that the rates are actually 2.74 or 2.84, and she got really annoyed that she's locked herself by talking to some customer service officer who didn't know much about the market. And she was really angry, and she called me today. She said, Ruma, can you please help me? Because, my own bank misled me, and now I'm paying 4.2% in today's market. So I said, look, first of all, you have to find out the break cost. So the moral of the story is that rather than calling your bank and talking to a person behind the desk who's just a customer service officer, who's doing their 9 to 5 job, who don't know what the competition is, they just tell you about their products. Talk to a person like, say for example, yourself. You're a broker, I'm a broker. We know exactly where the market is. We know which bank is offering the best rate. So we can steer you towards that bank depending upon, of course, the conditions, depending upon your own situation. So hence I would say talk to a specialist rather than talking to a bank who's got your customer service people, not a lender, not a loan specialist. And customer service officer doesn't have that much knowledge or information or passion they may have about their job, but maybe not the competitor's knowledge. That's the simple answer.
Okay, thanks.